3,000 feet covering just about full.
Welcome aboard and thanks for flying with Delta.
Hey, hello.
Oh, I don't even see me, so I ain't say hello.
We're gonna have to like mute all of this.
Yeah, you gonna have to.
This is better though. I like this better.
Oh yeah, I do.
It's better.
You what now? I don't think she should wear that.
The flip flops.
Yeah, because they trying to kill her.
They really are. They're trying to take my phone. What is Coco Loco?
What you want
Do y'all have something? The video. I like the videos more. Alright. Panama. Where are we going? Panama. Where are we going? And how are we gonna get there? By using what?
That's where we need to be at. I feel they vibe. Like, energy.
You know, I'm feeling like I was Oh no, I'm just recording the what you call it? The walking. I'm telling y'all, I'm making a vlog. Y'all going on YouTube. Okay. Man, I really want to try that beef jerky already.
I'm going to have to make a trip to New Orleans. Let me see this how I look at
Okay, okay.
It's a happiness Christmas. Look at you. Oh,
Oh no, that's pretty.
this is a happiness Christmas. No, not that one. I'm sorry. This,
I don't want to go through no mirror, man.
okay, well, I was just saying.
I feel like you want us to work.
Then we got a custard. A southern custard.
Yeah, I see what you're saying now with hot, where it's at.
Yeah. Like I wasn't expecting this down here.
I gotta take a picture with the beers.
Yeah, you should. I never had seen those big ones like
It is so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at these blow pops. A kid in a candy store. Oh my goodness. So pretty.
Yes, it is. It is gonna match with your.
Okay, so y'all, we came here to get henna tattoos, and this is the sign here that says $7.99 and up.
Yes, I'm walking.
So we going to the room.
Yes,
we going back to the room.
I had to find out.
And change
Like, I better
and
see a
go.
beach when I get my
What we going? Get something to eat. We're going to get some dinner. And then we're going, later on, we're going to Coyote Ugly. Say hey, Lily. Hey, y'all. Hey, boo. And that's my bitch right there.
Ratchet, that's my own fault.
Okay, we blowing kisses and shit. What? Okay. What? So right now we are trying to figure out
Y'all know how to find. Y'all know how to
where.
It's
It's Really?
I can see your fortune. Come see.
They got me. Really?
they can see you.
Oh, yeah, no, because somebody is wrong. She out here with her friends. Huh? You still got that? How the hell is yours still sticking? Did I rip yours off?
No.
You can re-sticking. Who's sticking? Your foot, you have the filament on your forehead. Oh, yeah, I don't have it. No.
Mine started feeling.
Look how she looking like, wait a minute. I didn't even know. Yeah, I took mine off. I did not have seen that, but I got my food is here. I have, what she have? Me and Ashley both got the steak and loaded mashed potatoes and broccoli. And this hoe
Got these regular ass shrimp and grits.
I got the shrimp and grit. Is it good? I don't like how it look.
I don't like how it look either, but it do taste good. It's spicy.
And we are at Margaritaville. How's the steak?
Are you ready? Yes, we're ready?
Yeah.
All right.
These hoes always got me taking shots.
Cheers, bitches. Cheers. Cheers. Clank, 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 clank.
Ooh.
Done. Bottoms up, bitches.
Cause I'm 36, hoe. What? Okay, so we just got dressed. And we are going to Coyote Ugly. This is this hoe. Right here. She acting like she don't hear me talking about her. And Lily, my boo-boo. Okay, so good morning. What time? Yeah, it's good morning. Good morning.
Where we at?
Last night, we were supposed to go to Coyote Ugly, and
It was ugly. One too many coyotes though.
yeah, it was too many coyotes over there. The line was long. It was cold. They was letting people out and letting people in as they go, and
It was on some COVID shit, and I was not here for it.
So we left. We literally went there, stayed for like 10 minutes,
Not even it.
and
Our Uber driver tried to drive off on the stupid ass.
because we just wasn't about to stand in the line in the cold. Well, in the cold. So that's what happened last night. So today we got up. Today I'm going back home. My flight leave at like 6, 5, something like that. So right now we're just going to do a little shopping, get some lunch, have a little girl time. So we went to Ross. I got a few things for the little one. And we left where we kind of walked around a few stores. Wasn't really much there. But anyway, so now we're across the street at the little shopping center. The girls went into the Dollar Tree right now. I didn't want to go in there. So I can't really get a lot of stuff because I can't take it with me on my flight. So I'm just sitting in the car, and I think we're going to Target or I don't know, somewhere. And then we're going to go and have lunch, and I'll be preparing to leave. But I did go to Ulta and get my birthday gift. So I don't know if I'm going to do like a birthday haul and stuff like I did last year. Because a lot of places don't have, like they haven't been sending out emails for some reason. So I don't know what that's about. But yeah. Alright, so while I'm in here, I'm going to just show y'all what I got from Ulta. So I got these little masks because they're so cute. So this is one of them. I'm going to probably wear this one. You can't really see the color, but yeah. And then I got these two here. And the birthday gift for September is this little Lancome, what is this? A primer, I think. A primer and sunscreen. A sunscreen? Yeah, primer, moisturizer, sunscreen, whatever. Something like that. So anyway, so I went and got that from Ulta. And I got some clothes, like I said, for the baby from Ross. So we're just gonna go and go into a few other stores or whatever. If I remember to vlog, cause you know, I be forgetting. If I remember to vlog, to pick up, you know, my phone or whatever and record while we go in the stores, then I'll definitely take y'all with me. But yeah, it's kind of rainy, it's kind of overcast, and I don't know, I miss my baby. I'm ready to get back home to him. But this weekend was fun. It was really, really fun. So I have enjoyed myself thoroughly. But yeah, so I'll take you guys to a few other stores and we'll see what this little city has to offer. Where we at, y'all? I just want y'all to say it.
Dirty Dick's Crab House.
And
I got crabs from Dirty Dick's.
Wow, I got crabs from Dirty Dick's. I'm done. So we got the fried alligator. And
I always wanted
some
to do
boudin
this,
balls.
y'all.
And Ashley just can't wait to just sprinkle.
Girl, everybody say that that's the best thing to do. Yes, so we about to find out.
Yeah, we just found this. What is this, a puzzle? They framed the puzzle.
Yeah, that's what people used to do back in the day.
Ain't they supposed to
No, it's looking like your head, like snap in the head. You know, that way you don't see it. It's just like you got a knife
Really?
in your head.
Okay. I have so much stuff in here. This is like the home part. They have a lot of pictures and lamps and stuff.